Mike asked me to videotape, so I'm videotaping. Hey Mike, I'm videotaping.
Chocolate chip pancakes.
Kyle, Jules, Taylor, Tom, Kevin, Justin, Bessa, Christian.
Prettiest plays you're gonna see all night. So Mike, you're guarding Kyle right now. You let him have a wide open flick. That was a really bad force.
Because I'm notorious for that. Throwing it in like a note and then like deleting the note. Like, I don't know what this is for.
You enjoying this? You enjoying me undressing?
Boxers are first. Was that like a good movie? Was it a good movie? Yeah, it was a good movie. I actually didn't get a chance to see it.
Kyle just D'd you up, Mike. It's real embarrassing.
Way to dive for it. That was manly.
Oh yeah. Kyle just threw for a point over you, full court. Sucks to suck, buddy.
Taylor, the I'm almost late Hernandez. Oh, fundamentals. Oh my God!
I was just saying.
Hey, watch your man.
That's a score.
And Kyle was talking to Justin, so you got it open and he threw it for a point. But I credit Justin for that point, not you.
You know how difficult it is to try and text and do this? This is more difficult than texting and driving.
You're crying about something. You look real confused. Okay, you've accepted it.
Momentum.
Got it. You and Kyle are cutting deep. Kyle just D'd you up again. What's wrong with you, Michael? It's Kyle. He outjumped you.
He's guarding you the other way.
Oh. And your team just lost. Sucks to suck.